Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This time I am introducing to you website I use for buying high-end electronics. I've been using Design Info, that's an electronics online retailer based in Mumbai, to buy action cameras mostly. I have purchased the Insta 360 Ace Pro from the website. I have purchased few goodies like selfie sticks and Insta 360 case from the website. Initially, I was very skeptical with Design Info, mainly because there are many scam sites over the web and you don't know how you're going to get cheated. So I checked lots and lots of reviews. There were like opinions which were supporting Design Info, and then there were opinions which were against Design Info. I did some research and I could find out that they have been in this business for long and they've been doing it for at least 15-20 years in Mumbai. Now their online platform is growing and they're doing a good service. So I took a risk and I ordered an Insta360 Ace Pro camera from the website. Amazon was selling that for 45,000 at the time, and I got this camera around for 35,000, 10,000 rupees less. You can check the camera prices all over the web, and Design Info will have the least price in India. The best thing about them is the price and how they source this product. They source all over from Europe and even from India. So basically, if you're worried too much about warranty, then it's better to buy from Amazon or the main websites. But the issue is, if you're thinking about warranty for Insta360, or if you're worried about warranty for DJI, they do have some service centers in Mumbai and Bangalore, and the process is shipping to China and getting it and coming back. So even if you're buying from Design Info, you can do the same process. So it doesn't matter, warranty concerns. But sometimes you get products from Germany, USA, from Design Info. Overall, it's been a very, very reliable website. Now I have got this Insta360 X5 camera. I'm very excited to get this X5, mainly because X4 has been very, very good for me. In my experience, it has served the purpose I want it to serve. Very good for bike reels and many videos which you cannot take without a 360 camera. I never used any 360 camera from Insta360 before X4. I used a GoPro Max and the beginning edition, and it was very difficult for me to edit. With the Insta360 app, there was no issues. And now they have the X5, and there are lots and lots of software upgrades and camera angle upgrades, and battery is better, mic is better, Bluetooth mic capability is better. Because with the X4, I used DJI Mic Mini and it was not working fluid every single time. There were audio cut off all the time. But now that's all been resolved, and better night video. The main issue with the 360 camera I had was the night video issue. If you are traveling and then you're traveling in a bus, you're doing a bus vlog and nighttime, you need to have the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. You cannot have the Insta360 X4. Now that's changed. You have to be careful using a 360 camera. You cannot use it like the action cameras because the lenses get scratched. But now, X5, you can change the lenses also. Now I will unbox this product from Design Info. The package has Insta360 X5 and one selfie stick, that's also from Insta360, 120 centimeters selfie stick. So let me start unboxing. Okay, here it comes. The package. We put this aside. Okay, this is the package. Why I got this from Design Info instead of Amazon? You may ask. Price. Amazon sells it for 54,990. That is 55,000. Design Info sells it for 49,999. 50,000. 5,000 rupee difference. 5,000 rupee difference. Packing. Lots of support as well. Lots of foam inside. comes the camera, the X5, fantastic. And the selfie stick. Here is the selfie stick. Insta 360 invisible selfie stick. Okay, 120 centimeters. 147 grams. Okay, great. So let's look at the camera and see what is inside. There is an Insta 360 X5, USB-C cable, protective pouch, lens cloth, quick start guide, warranty card. Unlike the X4, it doesn't come with a thermal cover free. It doesn't come with any lens card because you can remove the lenses by yourself. So it doesn't come with standard lens card or thermal cover. You need to buy it extra. So everything else is extra. Only the camera, USB-C cable, protective pouch. That's all. Yeah, and fantastic. 5.7K 60 FPS active HDR video, new wind guard for clear audio, waterproof to 49 feet, AI powered editing, auto backup to cloud, fantastic. Great. 8K 360 video, dual 1x1.28 sensors, AAA for superior low light, shoot first frame later. That's fantastic. Shoot first frame later. I am so happy you use a feature like that. Invisible selfie stick effects, that's been for. Flow state stabilization, yeah, great. So let me unbox it. Design info, you've done a great job, great packing, nice, very, very nice. I needed this camera for my bike rides and most of my YouTube because now I'm going to use this as my primary camera for all my travel vlogs because with the night video better and the usage of better microphones and Bluetooth mic capacity, everything's going to be great. So here comes the camera, friends. Fantastic. Fantastic. Almost similar like the X4, but there is some differences. Oh my God. Really, really good. Let me take out the battery first. Just check. Battery. There is the memory card slot. Fantastic. Yeah, great. This is really good, really good. Okay, and like they mentioned, there'll be nothing more. Basically, the pouch is here. And only the pouch, the manuals are here as well. Yeah, inside the pouch will be the This is a better pouch than last time. Yeah, it's a better pouch. No, it's almost similar. Okay, here is the piping cloud and USB-C cable. Fine, that's okay. They're not given anything like the standard lens cards or the thermal covers. So should have given it for the price they're charging. But then again, it's fine. Okay. So this is unboxed well. And now we'll unbox the selfie stick from Insta 360 from Design Info. This is the original Insta 360 selfie stick, not some OEM one. OEM ones does not work well here. This is the original one. Fantastic. This is the original Insta 360 selfie stick, 120 centimeters, not an OEM product. Many OEM products that are in the market, but the quality is so wayward. I had one before and it really sucked. This is really good because you can just see the difference when you pull it up, because that much of sturdy difference is there between an original and an OEM. Always buy original Insta 360 products. Do not buy copies. Telesim products are really good. Hulu's products are also good, but other than that, any other low-priced OEM one, do not buy it. So friends, yes, Insta 360 X5 plus this selfie stick cost me something around 51,698. So was a good catch. What I will suggest is, friends, if you're looking for high-end electronics cameras and accessories for cameras, the best place is Design Info. I will leave the link in the description. You can blindfoldedly buy from them. I purchased few things, mostly like around 6 or 7 items, cost of something around 1.5 to 2 lakhs, and they've been very, very trustworthy. Shipping is super quick by Blue Dot. You place an order and the next day the order ships. That much fast is Design Info, very reliable as well. Products coming from genuine suppliers, and you know, everything works really good with them. So yeah, I'm very, very happy again. So I thought I will just upload a video regarding Design Info and do a small unboxing for this Insta 360 X5 camera in India. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.